Hi, I'm Mason. We're gonna do the volcano experiment again, but this time we're gonna do it 3 times. So, to get started, I'm gonna pour the baking soda in the cup. So now, if you are already put the baking soda in the cup, then add some food coloring. So you can choose whatever color you want. I'm just choosing blue first. So I'm gonna drip it in. So now if you had dripped it in already, then shut the lid of one and then pour the vinegar in. Now we're back for the second round of the 3 rounds of doing the volcano experiment. So now I'm gonna put the baking soda in. Now I'm choosing a different color. I'm choosing red this time. So now after you had added the food coloring, then this is the last ingredient, put in the vinegar. Okay. Wow. And this is the 3rd round of it, and I'm choosing green, my favorite color. So, first, I'm gonna add even more baking soda, and I'm gonna dump it in. So now, after you've dumped that in, then just add the food coloring in. So now after you had added the food coloring, you can choose whatever color you want. But now after you added the food coloring, then add the vinegar. Wow. Wow. Thanks for watching.